Welcome to Auto World of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another Cobra kit car. This one, a Factory 5 Mark III, finished in Inferno Red with burgundy ghost stripes. And she is absolutely beautiful. So we'll take a minute or two to see if this ticks all the boxes for you, so you can see and judge whether this belongs in your driveway. See the 5-point Simpson racing harnesses, Tremec T5. All the gauges function as they should. Leather seats. Now the Factory 5 Mark III has a footwell a little bit longer here in the door. So I'm 6'4", and we'll be driving this momentarily, so you can see that I fit well. "17-inch 5-lug wheels. See 4-wheel disc brakes. Wing windows and sun visors. Dual black roll bars, ceramic coated side pipes. The paint on this car is exceptionally nice. A lot of times you'll see a little bit of road rash on the front, and this car is about the same. A couple little, there's actually bug splatter from just this morning. So under the hood, it's a lift-off hood in this car. We'll set that aside to reveal fuel-injected 5-liter. This is a 99 model 5-liter engine. The Factory 5 tubular chassis. This car does have power steering. Not all of these do. It's recently had a new clutch installed, as well as a new clutch cable. You can see that there. Very clean, well-sorted car. Rack and pinion steering, aluminum radiator. This car came to us via Colorado, titled as 2012. It's one of the most common questions that we receive when we have these cars available. So in the trunk here, this is all aluminum. See the assembly manual in different specs. I love the way Factory 5 does the trunks on these cars. These are race cars. And this is exactly as I would expect a race car to look like. So we'll do, I already know it's in neutral. Silly me. Gotta press the clutch down. dealership, Auto World of Conway. This is where we prepare the cars for sale. We have two dealerships. This is our main store. We have a classics and specialty store as well, and that's where this car is headed after this test drive. So we'll see how well he can do here holding that camera. Get your blood boiling. So again, thank you for joining me. This 1965 Cobra kit car replica by Factory 5. Mark III 302 5-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes. Absolute blast to drive. Here at Auto World of Conway, where we have good cars for good people.